Welcome to the Crystal Collector. Today we're in Colingua, California, and we're at the Benitoite mine. If you would like to visit this public location, check out their Facebook page right here. So what is Benitoite? It was actually named after the San Benito River in California. Here we are looking at a huge piece of Benitoite, possibly one of the largest ever found out of this location, which is really the only location you can find these, right?
That's correct.
In the world, you guys. So come check out John here in the store. You can see all kinds of other beautiful pieces here, but that is a masterpiece. Benitoite is a rare blue barium titanium cyclosilicate, and it's found in hydrothermally altered serpentinite. Benitoite can be faceted or polished for some awesome jewelry. And then there's others. Look at that. Look at the neptunites in there. Huge. Another large benitoite. At this location, they have everything you need. You don't need to bring anything. Just yourself, maybe some water. Not that kind of water. They bring out dirt from the mine that started back in 1907, and you can just continue to dig this dirt in the center there for as much as you like throughout the day. It's time to get her done. So during the World War II days, all these houses you see were actually prison homes. And what they would do was keep the road maintained, because during the war, they needed all kinds of metals. So the miners would be mining the metals in these mountains, and the prisoners would keep the roads maintained. Pretty cool. The pomegranates are blooming, and we're about to go dig some benitoite. Look at that. Let's hit it. So at this location, what's going on? You have some piles of dirt in the center, and they supply you with water and everything you need. They even give you these glasses so that when you go into the UV room, that's right, the UV room, we'll talk about that later. What we need to do now is go get a station, set it up. We're running a bit late, but we're gonna see if we can find some benitoite. Let's go check it out and figure out this process. We're gonna go ahead to the center, grab some dirt. Let's check it out. They supply you with everything, shovels, sifters, you name it. All right, let's get that golden bucket. You probably don't want to get too much. Now, what they were telling us is to take it to the side and do your first sift. So they've got our water all ready. Let's do our first rinse. Probably want to go ahead and take your big stuff out, make sure it's nothing. All right, so first, you obviously want to look for that glassy blue benitoite. Could be one there. I'm not sure. We'll leave it in here. Here in just a few seconds, we'll take it to the UV room, because these benitoites fluoresce under a short wave, which they have everything you need right here. I'm going to go ahead and take out these big pieces, but you really want to look at them closely, especially when you have the naturalite, which is the white. I don't see any on there, but you really want to check those out. Dude.
He wears glasses too.
I don't want to drop this.
There it is.
I'm pretty sure that's a little benitoite crystal. We'll put it in the bag. We'll check it out here in a second, because if it glows, it's benitoite. All right, let's take it to the UV room right behind me. So let's go in the UV room and see if we've really got anything good here. You You can't see anything in here. Oh, you can.
Yeah, the camera looks better.
Dude, wow. It's completely dark to my human eyeballs. Am I going to hit anything?
Nah, you go to that table that we were sitting at.
So I've got the UV light. Let's see if we've got anything. Using a shortwave UV light, you can really see the fluorescent glow these Benitoites have to offer. The top 2 left pieces I purchased from their store, but the bottom 3 were finds throughout the day. These things are coming out left and right. Got some mud clumps. You want to maybe try to break these up. It's about 106 degrees right now, but we're hanging in there. It's dry heat. And we're going to find some crystals. There's a lot of blue color in here, so it makes it a bit tough, but when you see the Benitoite, it's kind of glassy. Like a little piece of glass. Ooh, right there. There it is.
You got one? Oh, look at that.
There it is. It's got to be. Ooh, let's hope it don't fall through the crack. There it is. Oh, that's a nice little crystal.
Nice. Look at that color.
Really nice one.
Wait.
That's it right
there.
Yeah, that's
Oh, look at that face. Oh, wow.
it. Look at that, Brian.
Wow. Look at that. Now that is a Benitoite. Good job. Oh, yeah. Dylan, what you got so far there? Getting them?
Nothing but a bunch of rocks so far. Oh, you got something? No.
Oh, no way.
There's 2 or 3 super Jimmy.
What?
That's
on
awesome.
the Matrix.
That's awesome. Very cool.
Super cool the way there's like 2, I think 3 crystals on the Matrix. All right, he's got something else. What you got here? Oh, big chunk of neptunite. Another cool mineral to be found here. On naturalite. Wow. Oh man, you are getting it going. Awesome triangle shape. This one was also found today. Ooh, I do not need to drop it and lose it. Pieces shaped like this are called Stonies by the locals. You can really see the actual formation of these Benitoites, how they're like a triangle shape. Another nice stony found here by Terry.
It's
nice.
so cool. I can't wait to get one a little bit more Jimmy.
He was digging a huge deep hole over there. Must have been working out because he got it.
I'm very happy with it. I'm so stoked.
Filling it back up for round 2. Huge Benitoite found here by Marianne. Right out of California. Huh, not too bad of a drive.
No, like 3 hours.
3-hour drive to get here, and she's finding the Benitoites.
Let's see.
Really large Benitoite on the Matrix. How cool is that? Nice.
Awesome.
Yeah. So first, I'm going to look through it by hand. These are kind of neat. These botryoidal schist. They're kind of blue. So I'm going to save a few of them. But we'll go through it. And anything really large or super Jimmy is going to stand out pretty quick in the sunlight. So after I go through it once, I'll take another rinse. Check it out, twice. Because what happens is, as you're moving it around, you're still knocking some of the dirt off some of these pieces. So you might just uncover one unknowingly. But you really gotta look close.
Is that close enough?
The last screen of the day, and what you got, Thane?
I've got two beautiful Benitoite.
Oh, two with great shape. Look at that triangle shape that I have yet to find. We got 20 minutes, and we'll see. Maybe I'll find, they call them Stonies.
Yeah.
I had not heard of that, so maybe I'll find me a Stony before the day's over. So right here, before it's over, a nice cross-shaped neptunite. That is awesome. Yay. Here we are at the end of the day, and guess what, you guys? They actually do appraisals, and they'll go through your bag of finds and tell you exactly what you have. Sometimes you don't know if you've got Benitoite or not. And look at that.
You've got about, I would say, each of these pieces are probably about $10. You got about 110 here, and then this beautiful neptunite here, I'd say it's probably about $100.
Oh, wow.
Total, you probably got about 210.
So about 210 bucks total. What do you think about that one, Thane?
I think it's great.
Awesome. I think you did well.
What?
What? Sweet. Look at all those finds. That's what happens when you get here on time. I was like 3 hours late, but we still did great, you guys. So Dylan, he only found a few pieces today, so this is what they have for people that don't dig hard enough. So you got to go on in and time out. You can think about it.
Think about how I'm going to dig harder next time.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate it. And be sure to check out and subscribe, because on the next episode, we're going to be digging tourmaline crystals in California. Check it out. You guys, check this out. Watch. When I put it to the sun. Oh! What? Look at that.